Let's make these cute emoji coasters today. We will need printed pattern. Link to the pattern in description under the video. Prepared hoop with fabric. The fabric should be stretched very tightly. Punch needle, needle threader, scissors, pencil, glue gun, felt, yarn in the required colors. These emojis are symmetrical, so there is no need for a reversed version of them. But if you want to do this design, then use the reverse version. Cut out the pattern. Also, we will need a tape. Stick the pattern onto the back of the fabric. Redraw the pattern onto the fabric. Remove the pattern. Insert the needle threader into the eye of the needle from the outside, and then into the body of the needle. Like in the video, push the needle threader through the entire length of the needle. It should come out through the center hole of the needle. This is not correct. Like this is correct. Insert the yarn into the loop and gently pull the other end of the needle threader, pulling the yarn through the needle. Start embroidering from the outline of the object. The needle enters the fabric strictly vertically and all the way. Make small stitches. Approximately the length of the stitch is equal to the thickness of the yarn. If the end of the yarn is in the way, you can simply cut it off. The needle should always point in the direction of embroidery. When finished, hold the yarn with your finger and remove the needle. Cut the yarn. Embroider the remaining objects of this color. Fill the necessary spaces with the same color. Try to make rows close to each other. Fill the teeth area with white color. This is what it should look like from the back. Take the blue color and fill the tears area. First, duplicate the outline, and then fill all the space inside. The remaining space with yellow. I start from the center. First, I go along the border with other colors. Then I fill it inside. If you hit a dead end and the needle has nowhere to move, just cut the yarn and continue from another place. Pay attention to the yarn. It should lie freely. Make sure there are no knots. and nothing is stopping the yarn from moving. It is important. Continue filling with yellow color. This is what our job looks like now. To make it look neat, you need to untangle all the crossed loops. Remove the work from the hoop and separate the loops using a needle or tweezers. Elongated loops can be carefully trimmed. Cut along the contour, retreating approximately 1 centimeter. Make cuts in the fabric around the entire perimeter. Pay special attention to the curves. Glue the edges of the fabric inside the work with a glue gun. Take a piece of felt, apply glue to the inside of the embroidery, and glue it to the felt. Leave the edges unglued. This will make it easier to trim the felt. Cut the felt along the outline. Carefully glue the edges. Your emoji coaster is ready. You can make other coasters using my pattern. Thank you for watching.